Good morning, you guys. It's PrissyBlaire for the girls and fellas that don't know me. Fellas, this is another woman's video. So I have, ladies, I have knotless braids, okay? Check this out. Wait, what? I am in love. I've been taking a break. So for people who know me from my microlinks videos, I had to take them out due to that whole quarantine. It didn't work out for me. I did have breakage, but more so I just had a haircut to just trim out from the thins to the thick hair because it was so much new growth and I wasn't able to, for me to want to keep them. My lady, the girl, she canceled on me the last day, remember that? Then she ended up retiring during the whole quarantine. So, you know, I was just like, it was just messing up my whole hair routine. So, I've been wearing lace fronts again. I needed a break. I had, I think a leave out one last time and then boom, now I'm getting knotless braids. Now these are 2 weeks old. Excuse me, y'all, I just woke up too. So excuse my face. Let me know if it's just too much. So this is 2 weeks old. I woke up. This is the crust. I'm gonna keep it real for y'all. Okay? I'm gonna keep it real. So this is what 2 weeks old looks like for me. This is what 2 weeks old looks like. Now, I couldn't find enough videos that was talking about, oh, you know, the care, the wash, how to make your braids look fresh in 2 week period. You know what I mean? I know some people were doing too much, like twisting. I don't have enough to twist. So I'm like, let me see if I have an idea. I watched some people's videos. I'm gonna do a little bit of my twist. Let's see how it's gonna look because if you wanna know, these braids are all the way down. Don't wanna show, you know, it's down there, you guys. And as far as what I use, I've been making my own mix. It's black seed oil, tea tree oil. I put cucumber water, a little bit of water. What else do I have in here? Neem, things like for my hair, stuff that can help like antibacteria, stuff like that. So that's why, as you can see, I don't have to wash my hair. I've been kind of having a good little mix. Oh, this is a rose water container. I told you I just kind of like, it had a little bit in there, but it wouldn't make a difference. So my hair is actually kind of clean, but I have a music video. I guess I'm gonna be in like this guy, Big Bro Freddy's music video, and I've never had braids on set, you guys. So I'm like, fuck, let me wash them. And I know you guys are probably like, well, what's wrong with having braids? Nothing's wrong, but sometimes they'll have like, you know, I've never had braids on set. You know, certain fashion brands, they prefer you to have a different type of versatile, because braids are versatile, a different type of versatile hairstyle. So this is new. I want it to look a little fresh. What will it look like? What would this look like if I wash it? Will it frizz up more, you know? Or will it make it look fresher? And I want to look fresh for this music video. So I'm going to wash them, okay? Okay, I'm going to wash them. I'm nervous because I really don't want to mess these up. I'm a little bougie. I was even about to hit up my lady and be like, hey girl, can we get them redone? But my friends were like, girl, that's kind of OD. Like, girl, you just got them done. Like, calm down. And I feel it. And I hate being like that. But I like my shit looking fresh at all times. And I haven't even shot. Like, if y'all know me, I took a break off of the gram. I haven't posted since, like, March 1st. You know, so I haven't even shot yet. So I need these braids to look as fresh as possible because I didn't get no pictures in it when in the beginning. You know what I mean? I did little TikToks and stuff. So let's see if I can bring these babies back. Now y'all probably like, babies back? These are already back, girl. No. There's a certain way I like my things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash them right now. I'll tell you how I did them. I'm not gonna touch too much. I'm not gonna frizz them because what I do is I wrap my hair at all times. So I'm gonna make sure I lay it back. I'm gonna get in there just a little bit and I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash them. You guys, comment below, send these out to your girls, okay? I'm about to show y'all what knotless braids are gonna look. Hopefully, y'all, it looks even better. Wish me luck, y'all. I'll be right back. Hey guys, hold on 1 second. Okay, I needed that because I was standing up. I was doing a lot, y'all. Okay, so hear me out. I haven't seen the finishing product either yet, so I'm gonna wait. But let me show you guys what I did for real. I use BioSilk. Okay, I kind of like them a little bit. You know, usually I don't use alcohol products because it does dry out the hair. But since I already had enough gooey resin, and I always been spraying this daily, day and night, you know, I could use some alcohol to the scalp, especially if I'm not trying to scrub super hard. So what I did was I used their Hydrating Therapy shampoo and their conditioner. And what I did was I just went around the line, went around the part, because my parts are still nice. You can still see I went around it, kind of like, you know, that was it. Then when I got it all around my scalp, I just literally went like this in a thing and let it go in, you know. And I just added the conditioner. I just kind of put it around the same area, let it go in, let it go in. Literally, I'm not doing the most. I made sure it did get out the gooey stuff. And then, after I washed my hair, now this is where the products come in. Yes, I did use products. People say like, you don't need products. Okay, cool. I'm just trying to do it as much as how my braider did my hair, okay? So what she did was, okay, so wait, let's get back to the finish. Let's finish. Nippy, stop it. Let's finish the BioSilk, okay? For this, I put this on the braids when it was still wet in my hair. I went, you know, get that, just so the serum could still have shine to the braid, you know, and to my scalp. I also added some frizz-free curl mousse. I used a little bit of the other one, but they're both curl mousse. I don't know so much about it, but I did put it just so if I do have my curly hair activation, you know, because water activates 4C hair, just in case I have some activation up there, I put some frizz-free first. Then, what my beautician did, y'all, hear me out. The Got To Be spray, y'all know what that looks like, the yellow one. I'm not gonna bring it out. I sprayed it because that's what my beautician did with my, when she first braided it. I did it while it was wet. I kind of just went through it real quick, not too much. Just so I can hold that spray. I did my baby hairs with the black Got To Be glue. Did my little baby hairs. I'm not that good at baby hairs, y'all. Just hear me out. And then, afterwards, I took the blow dryer, y'all. This is, hear me out. So after I wrapped my hair, I took the blow dryer underneath. It gave it that little, you know, that little blow dry on the inside. This is how OCD I am. I'm definitely trying to make sure my shit fresh. And if this works, I'm gonna give it to y'all. I'm gonna give it to y'all for free, okay? This is 2 weeks old. Let's see if it did anything or not, okay? So I turn it on high and I turn it on cool. Hey guys, so I got dressed, did my makeup, just a little bit, you know, because I got stuff to do anyways, and you know, I usually don't do YouTube. I'm like, you know what, let me just do it right now. So let's go. So hey, it's gonna be a surprise to me and you, okay? Got a mirror right here, so if I'm I'm facing this way. Let's see. Let's hope it looks somewhat different. Okay, a little sticky. Okay. Definitely looks cleaner. Oh wow. Okay. Do you guys see this? Can you guys tell a difference? It's a slight difference. I'm not gonna say 100% difference. Oh my god. But it definitely looks more crisp, cleaner. You know, can you guys see? I wonder how it looks. I can't see it. Let's lifting. Don't look at my babies. I might even hit the pressing comb, but I feel like that's even more OCD. Now I wear a side part naturally, like even before braids with my weaves. So this is them. I can't see. I will eventually see once I'm done recording. But hopefully it looks good. You know, I did enough of the got-to-be spray just to hold it still. Okay, that was a whole different mood. Wow. Switching sides. Okay, that's different. That's how I kept it fresh, y'all. Even after this video, I'm about to wrap my hair again. I want this shit to be laid still. I don't play. So, you know, I did add a little bit of this, you guys, just because while my hair was wet, it felt good. And just in case the when I sprayed the got-to-be, that could, you know, nourish it so it's not super dry either. That's probably why my braid. Hey guys. All right, well, what do you guys think? Tell me what you guys think. Does it look good? It feels fresh. Ooh, it feels super fresh. Definitely because of this. Shoot. Make sure my hair grows today. We wrap it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys think you saw a good difference, let me know, because you know I'm new to this. I'm true to this. I'm only gonna keep these in for another 2 weeks. I'm gonna switch them up every month. Thank you guys so much. Let me know if you guys have anything to say, if you guys thought you saw a difference in my hair. And yeah, I believe that is it. Ooh, I look big from the side. What the hell? Okay. Let me know how you guys like my braids. Thank you guys.